Hello everyone, I am Walt, and here we are with part 41 of 101 Ways to Feel Happy on a Daily Basis. Yeah, so principle number 41, what is this one all about? Well, we got a few different aspects of this one, but this one is basically to stay away from the drama queens and energy suckers in your life. Am I getting it about right? Yeah. Avoid the drama queens, energy suckers, all those kind of people. And I'm always somebody who doesn't hang out with those people, but if you hang out with those people, don't. They suck, okay? If they're people you're hanging out with that suck and you don't want to hang out with them and they don't give you anything, don't hang out with them. Is kind of the go-to here, okay? Here's the thing about people. There's some that are good, there's some that are bad, there's some that are annoying, there's some that are worth hanging around, there's some that are not. If you are not getting any benefit out of it, as Aristotle pointed out here, I want to say Aristotle, right? Yeah, Aristotle. Aristotle has his 3 forms of friendship, which I also have done a video on. But basically, utility friendships, pleasure friendships, and virtue friendships. So you want to have at least one virtue friend, basically somebody who's, very virtuous, somebody you always want to hang around with, you always want to be close to, that kind of person. Find somebody in your life that is like your best friend kind of person. And of course, you want to have pleasure friends, friends that are just fun to be around, and friends that are useful, utility friends. Now, there are some people think they have to hang around, otherwise they're a loner or they're a loser if they just hang around with nobody, kind of thing. They feel like, oh, I need some people, I'm going to hang out with these idiots. Okay, don't hang out with people you're not going to have fun with, okay? If they give you nothing, don't hang out with them. I would think this principle is basic for everybody, but for some reason it is not. So I'd say that's just a big thing to realize. If these people are not good for you, if you do not like them, regardless of who they are, do not hang out with them, okay? Now, I understand if you have to hang out with people out of utility kind of stuff, or out of pleasure, or out of, that kind of stuff, but don't hang out with them if you don't have to. If they're like your distant family member and you think, oh, family's important, family is important for close things. But if they're just your family member and you think they're a jerk, don't hang out with them, okay? You don't need to. So cut those people out of your life. Cut the annoying downers, the energy drainers out of your life as much as possible. Only keep what is useful, what is virtuous, and what is pleasurable. Anyway, that is about it for me on this video. I will see you guys next time with our next principle. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.